Welcome to the Crowdfunding Exposure Chanel and another episode, episode 16. Today's topic is 10 secrets to creating a GoFundMe page make you a fundraising superstar and go viral. Remember to like, share and subscribe so we can keep making these videos. Starting a GoFundMe campaign is an excellent way to raise funds for a cause that's important to you. To start, you'll need to create a GoFundMe account and provide information about your campaign. Choose a title and write a compelling story that highlights the reason for your fundraiser, along with any relevant details. Setting a realistic fundraising goal is also crucial, so be sure to calculate the amount of money needed to achieve your objectives. Once your page is created, share it on social media platforms and with your friends and family to spread the word. Remember to keep your supporters updated on the progress of your campaign and show your gratitude for their support. With persistence and hard work, you can make your GoFundMe campaign a success and reach your fundraising goals. Are you looking to create a GoFundMe page that will go viral and help you raise funds for your cause? Look no further. In this video, we'll share 10 secrets to creating a GoFundMe page that will capture donors' attention and help you reach your fundraising goals. 1. Create a compelling story. Your story should be emotional, authentic, and relatable. Be sure to include why your cause is important to you and how donations will make a difference. 2. Use eye-catching images and videos. Use high-quality images and videos to grab donors' attention and showcase your cause. 3. Set a realistic fundraising goal. Set a goal that's achievable and clearly communicates the impact of the donations. 4. Use social media to promote your page. Share your page on social media platforms and engage with your supporters. Encourage them to share your page with their networks. 5. Thank your supporters. Show gratitude to your donors and keep them updated on the progress of your campaign. 6. Reach out to local media. Contact local media outlets to help spread the word about your cause. 7. Offer perks or incentives. Consider offering perks or incentives to donors to encourage them to donate. 8. Leverage GoFundMe's tools. Take advantage of GoFundMe's tools, such as the fundraising tracker, to monitor your progress. 9. Collaborate with other fundraisers. Reach out to other fundraisers and collaborate to reach a larger audience. 10. Keep the momentum going. Keep promoting your page and engaging with your supporters to keep the momentum going. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to creating a GoFundMe page that will go viral and help you achieve your fundraising goals. Remember to be persistent, authentic, and grateful for your supporters' contributions. With hard work and dedication, you can make a difference and raise funds for your cause. Frequently asked questions. How do I create a GoFundMe page? To create a GoFundMe page, you'll need to create an account on their website, provide information about your campaign, and set a fundraising goal. Be sure to create a compelling story and use eye-catching images and videos to grab donors' attention. What fees does GoFundMe charge? GoFundMe charges a 2.9% payment processing fee plus 30 cents per donation. There are no platform fees, and you can withdraw your funds at any time. Can I use GoFundMe for personal fundraising? Yes, GoFundMe can be used for personal fundraising, such as medical expenses, education, or emergencies. However, be sure to read and follow their guidelines to avoid any violations. How do I promote my GoFundMe page? You can promote your GoFundMe page by sharing it on social media platforms, emailing it to your friends and family, reaching out to local media outlets, and collaborating with other fundraisers. How do I withdraw funds from my GoFundMe campaign? You can withdraw funds from your GoFundMe campaign by linking your bank account to your GoFundMe account and requesting a withdrawal. It usually takes 2 to 5 business days for the funds to transfer. Can I edit my GoFundMe page after it's published? Yes, you can edit your GoFundMe page after it's published. You can update the story, images, fundraising goal, and other details as needed. Ready to take your crowdfunding campaign to the next level? Look no further than crowdfundingexposure.com. Their team of experts can help you create a compelling campaign, write a professional press release, and produce an engaging explainer video that will capture the attention of potential donors and investors. With years of experience and a proven track record of success, they have the skills and expertise to help you achieve your fundraising goals. Don't let your campaign fall short. Contact crowdfundingexposure.com today and let them help you turn your vision into reality.
Thanks for watching our video. Please smash the like button now, click share, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss our next episode. Remember, crowdfundingexposure.com is here to help as many people as possible, but we receive so many requests every day that we simply cannot accommodate them all. We have a strict 80 orders per day policy to ensure the highest quality for our clients. If you need anything specific for your camping, please let us know in the comments below and we'll see what we can find for you. Have a great day. Remember, it's important to click the like, share and subscribe, and visit www.crowdfundingexposure.com for exciting daily promos and coupons.